Hey Something Turquoise fans, it's Jen and I am so excited that today has finally arrived. I've been hinting for a little bit that something big was coming and something big has launched today. Now you can buy exclusive Something Turquoise digital files in our brand new shop. We have two different types of files available. One is an SVG file, which is meant to use with your Cricut Explorer or Cricut Maker. And the other is a printable file. Some are full color prints and some are solid black designs so that you can use them for all of your special wedding events. I absolutely cannot wait to see how you guys are going to use our exclusive files, and to make it easier to share, any file purchase allows you access into our private Facebook group where everybody can share their projects, pictures, and chat about what kind of wedding crafts they're making. So take a moment to click around our brand new shop and see what files you could get excited about crafting with.